With you wanting me gone.
Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I think it's an Amazon unboxing, but it might be just normal. But hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. You guys can check them out. Either my Amazon affiliate link will be down below, or their website. So we're about to find out though. All you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. And they'll ship this to you pretty fast. Oh boy. What is this? A lot of cutting. Pause you. Alright guys, now this is awesome. I think this is a Kickstarter actually. Just dropping now. So definitely check them out. Coming from Ciyce. Wireless gaming headset. Kind of looks like the Predator. In a way. Iron Man, maybe. Really cool design right there. I'm liking this. There we go. I think it's Ciyce. This is Ciyce Evolution. We got all the goodies on the side. Charging time, hour and a half. Soundtrack was around 7.1. Battery endurance, 30 hours. THD, 0.5%. Impedance, 32. Sensitivity, 105 plus 3 dB. There you go. Frequency, 20 Hz to 20 kHz. That's some good stuff right here. Ultra light console support. Low latency. 7.1 surround. Let's take a look inside, guys. You can use it for your PlayStations, Xboxes, PC, Mac, I do believe. And then maybe your VR headset, possibly. We'll try some stuff out today, though. And like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below and place an order. And my fingers are not gripping. Hold on. Alright, guys, we got it. Ooh, baby. These look good. Check a look at this. This must be the dongle. Yep, or the USB. Pretty cool. Check it out. goodies. Earmuffs extra. Oh, I like the silver. That's cool. You could swap them out. But the air sweat should be good. Cables, charge, yep. Empty. Alright, we got everything out of here. Now I'm definitely excited to test this out. Come on. There we go. So definitely check them out, guys. Ciyce. And now we're gonna show you these. Look at that. These are cool. Really soft up here. Perfect for the headrest. Oh yeah. There's the buttons. Plus volume. Really nice. Another cord there. And it must be the Bluetooth thingy. USB charge right here. You got the cable right here. Bada boom. That should be good to go. We'll probably try my tablet. And then we got this. Just set up the Bluetooth. But you can hook this up. Where did it go? This to your PlayStation. Pretty much anything you want to make it Bluetooth. You know, so we're gonna see computer, laptop, Chromebook maybe. Cause that's what I'll be using this probably for. It's my Chromebook. Good stuff. Alright, we're gonna turn these things on. I think this is the power. 1, 2, 3. I might have to charge them. Yeah, it might need to be charged. Oh. Come on, baby. You can do it. Give it a second. Yeah, I'm gonna have to throw these on charge. Like I said, these are brand new, so. Oh, there it goes. Ah, there we go. We saw the blue light. Let me just scan it on my tablet. Alright guys, once you get your Bluetooth, it's going to come up Ciyce A1. Not the steak sauce, but A1 triple. And then once pair. Yeah, see, I got 20% battery, but it is on. Man, these feel super lightweight though. And let me go on YouTube and then check out some jams, uncopyrighted music. But these are amazing feel. Give me 1 second, let me pop up the menu. Come on. Uncopyrighted music. I just gotta be careful with the ads. Sometimes they might have an ad. And then the music in the ad will get you copyrighted. So just remember that. 6 seconds. Oh, these are super nice. Oh, see, there's a... come on. Damn, it's running slow. I might have to upgrade. Hold on. Alright guys, you gotta hold the button in for a few seconds. Then the eyes light up. But these sound amazing. Clear, great bass. Oh yeah. Let me flip. There we go. You can see those light up right there. But these are the nice ones to get, guys. Look at that. That is cool. I don't know if maybe you can hear it. It's kind of hard to hear with headphones on YouTube, but look at that. That is cool. RGB action. But if you're looking for something different, guys, these are nice ones to get. Really nice. Super lightweight. Very flexible. Great sound. Great bass. And you can't go wrong. You're not getting these at all. So thank you guys over at Ciyce for sending me these for a review. And hopefully the YouTubers like this one. And check it out though. So definitely click that link. Like I said, it'll probably be their Kickstarter or their own website. But I'm not sure if they're on Amazon yet or what the deal is. But pretty soon they will be, I'm sure. Yeah, you can pause it. See, it pauses. And then, like I said, you just gotta hold it in, unless the battery might be getting too low. At least I got, yeah, it's getting low. I gotta charge these up. But at least we got enough action in for a few seconds to let you guys know that these are amazing, cool design, definitely futuristic. I can't believe we're in the future. But yeah, definitely check them out, YouTubers. There you go. Help a new company out. Alright, be safe. Have a good one. See ya.